That's Simon. He's been making shoes for over 15 years.
The fit is tailored completely to each person, whereas a ready-made shoe is essentially a generic shape.
The key difference is this, the last. It's a wooden mould carved to the exact measurements and features of the customer's foot. He starts by cutting away large amounts of wood, then makes small adjustments with hand tools.
Even the smallest little half a millimetre sometimes can just make all the difference. It can just throw the whole thing off. The challenge is to make it beautiful and to actually make it fit.
Last making is Simon's specialty. He inherited this workbench from the shoemaker who trained him. Making a last can take days. It's a constant process of carving wood and checking the measurements. But that effort is worth it, because a last can be reused for future pairs, saving time and bringing down the cost.